Rode Wireless Pro!
Wow! Okay, so that was me shouting, and this is the Rode Wireless Pro, probably the best wireless microphone system on earth. And here are 10 things you need to know about it. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here, and before we talk about the 10 things you need to know about the Rode Wireless Pro, there's an additional thing that I want to tell you now, okay? The whole audio for this YouTube video that you're watching now is recorded using this device. So first thing, let's talk about price. This thing, if you look online, it's actually about 2,000 to 2,100 ringgit. It is a little bit more expensive compared to the previous generation of wireless mics by Rode, but it's because this thing is Pro and it has a lot more features and a lot more accessories, which I will tell you in the next points. So when it comes to design, okay, it looks exactly as the previous generations. Square, black, and you can clip it anywhere you want, okay? But of course, now the receiver has a better detailed display whereby you can see a lot more information in one glance without having to press on the buttons, okay? And apart from that, they also come with a charging case. Previously, we need to charge individual devices by itself, but now we can plug all of these microphones and also the receiver into this case, and we can charge it all at the same time. I also love the design of this case because it feels like leather, but of course it's not, and it is secured using this zipper. Remember I said this thing is a little bit more expensive compared to the previous generation? That's because they come with a lot more accessories, especially lavalier mics, okay? Look at that. Oh, okay. So you have two sets of lavalier mics which we have to buy previously, but now we don't have to. It's in the package, which is very nice, and also it's designed by Rode themselves. As you can see, the head microphone here looks different from your usual ones, and it also comes with this little foam that we can attach to the mic head to reduce wind noise. Of course, other than that, it also comes with a lot more stuff like the USB-C cable, the wind mufflers, and of course the little colorful clips that you can clip on to your left mic to identify which is left and which is right. So when I talk about the display, I really mean that the display can see a lot more things, okay? Because now, just with the first glance, we can actually see the audio levels for each transmitter. We can also use the screen to see the status of our mic connection and more. Now, of course, with that little screen on the receiver, you can't do a lot of things, okay? Hence, they actually have an app called Rode Central on the phone, whereby it's an Android or iPhone. You can still install this Rode Central, and they also have another app for the desktop as well. And we can actually access our files on the desktop by plugging the USB-C cable into the back of the charging case, so we don't have to manually transfer from each transmitter, but we can transfer everything at the same time via the charging case. The audio might sound good, but how far can it go to still sound good? Let's do a range test now. Okay, so we are outside now and we are about to test the range for the Rode Wireless Pro and see how far it can record. I will start walking. I am crossing some trees. Hopefully the trees will not block the audio transmission. Hopefully you can still hear me. Okay, but of course, we can always switch on the safety mode via the Rode Central app, so that if we lose connection, we will still be able to record and store into the transmitter. And from the transmitter, we can attach a USB cable to our desktop and try. Okay, before we end the video, there's one more thing that I want to share with you, which is this little golden thing here. Okay, so basically this mic connector now has this screw-in, which is very important, because if you don't have that, just like previous generation, sometimes when you're recording and the interviewee accidentally pulls the cable, and then you will lose connection and you are not able to record audio via the mic. So now it is connected and I can use this mic to talk. Yeah, actually it's here, correct. So what do you think of the audio quality once I attach it to the left mic? Is it better, or is it better if I take out the mic? Now, what really makes this Wireless Pro, okay, is actually this new feature called Timecode that Rode actually added to this device. So Timecode basically is a running clock in the background, in the microphone system to actually record how far or the duration of the audio recorded, and then we can actually use this information to sync it to the video that we are editing. Okay, so we actually save time with syncing and pairing the audio to the video clips. Okay, so there you go, 10 things or maybe more, okay, about the Rode Wireless Pro, the latest wireless mic system from Rode. If you love gadgets, okay, and of course you love watching videos like this, please subscribe to this channel, click on the subscribe button below and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop and I'll see you in the next one. Yo.